Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. Today we will see how to create a list of squares of number from 1 to 10 using list comprehension. What is comprehension? Comprehension is just another way of writing loops in Python. These are faster than loops. Now to solve this question, first we will solve this question using loop and then we will see how to implement comprehension. To solve this question using loop, I will take here first one empty list, sq list, because I want these square numbers in one list. Then for I in range 1 to 11, as I want numbers from 1 to 10, that's why I have taken here range from 1 to 11. Then this sq list is there. In this sq list we are going to append square of each number, that is I square. Then we will print this sq list on the console, and if I run this program, I got here squares of numbers from 1 to 10. So this we have solved using loop. Now we will solve this using comprehension. How to solve this? As it is list comprehension, we have to use square brackets. Then here is also for loop for j in range 1 to 11, and then here in comprehension here comes expression. As I want square of j, that's why I have taken here j square expression here. Now this list comprehension returns one list that we will catch in one variable, that is comp list, and we will print this comp list on the console. Means using comprehension we have created this list. Now we got the same output. Means whatever you have solved using loop, the same thing you can solve using list comprehension. But for list comprehension you have to write only one line, but here you have to take three lines, and extra list you have to first take, that is empty list you have to take, and then you have to update that list in the loop. So here in comprehension you don't need to take empty list. By default this list comprehension will return you output in one list. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.